building a successful, profitable AI-powered app no longer requires traditional coding skills thanks to the rise of advanced AI development tools. The article details the journey of creating a $50,000 per month AI study app entirely without writing a single line of code, and demonstrates how virtually anyone can do the same using accessible AI tools. The process begins by identifying a lucrative app already in the market. In this example, the Gizmo AI Flashcards app. By studying its features and user experience, the author sets out to create a legal clone, replicating its design and functionality, but using an AI-driven app-building tool called Replit. This tool acts as an AI coding agent, capable of building, debugging, and deploying fully functional applications based solely on simple user prompts and feedback. The guide walks through the essential steps to get started. First, a strong foundation is required. Every app needs a login system. Rather than manually programming this, the author prompts Replit with straightforward instructions to build an AI-powered study app beginning with a login page. Replit responds by generating a clean login interface. When issues arise, such as non-functional input fields or missing database connections, the author simply describes the problems to Replit, which then adapts and implements the necessary fixes. This iterative process of prompting, testing, and refining continues throughout the development. When an error occurs during account creation, the author copies the error message and asks Replit to resolve it. The AI agent not only corrects errors, but also reorganizes content for a better user experience, such as moving feature previews from the login page to a separate landing page. These refinements ensure the app provides a seamless user journey, from signing up and logging in to navigating between landing and dashboard pages. Once the foundation is in place, attention shifts to building the app's core functionality. The dashboard and study features are central to the app's value. When the Go to Dashboard button fails, the author prompts Replit to fix it. Similarly, when the initial attempt at creating flashcard study sets generates errors, these are reported and quickly resolved. The AI tool not only debugs but also implements new features as requested, such as saving generated flashcard sets and enabling users to answer questions interactively. A key advantage of using an AI tool like Replit is the ability to rapidly iterate, test, and deploy changes. The author highlights that the tool allows unlimited app creation and public deployment, empowering even those with no programming background to become app entrepreneurs. Transforming the basic prototype into a polished, market-ready product requires more than just functional features. The author guides Replit to enhance the app with several value-adding elements. Customizable decks, allowing users to organize flashcards by topic or subject. Rich content support, enabling the use of visuals, formatted text, bulleted lists, and even code snippets within flashcards. Progress tracking and analytics, providing users with insights into their study habits and identifying areas for improvement. These enhancements transform the app from a simple digital flashcard tool into a comprehensive study companion, tailored for diverse learning styles and delivering ongoing feedback to support better learning outcomes. User interface and experience play a critical role in user retention and satisfaction. The author prompts Replit to make the landing page more visually appealing, ensuring that the app's features are clearly showcased and accessible. Navigation refinements, such as adding a button to return from the dashboard to the landing page, further polish the user experience. Interactivity is improved by adapting the flashcard answering method. Instead of having users type answers into a blank field, potentially creating a barrier to engagement, the author instructs Replit to implement multiple choice and true-false options. This makes studying more interactive, accessible, and effective for a wider audience. Throughout the process, each feature is tested, and any errors or bugs that arise are communicated to Replit for resolution. The development cycle is characterized by short feedback loops: prompt, test, troubleshoot, and refine. This approach not only accelerates development, but also ensures that the final product is robust and user-friendly. Monetization is addressed from the outset. The app is integrated with Stripe, allowing for immediate payment processing and revenue generation from day one. This is crucial for anyone aiming to build a sustainable, profit-generating app business. The article emphasizes that the entire journey, from concept to launch, can be accomplished in a matter of hours or days, not weeks or months. By leveraging AI development tools, the traditional barriers of technical expertise and lengthy development time are removed. Instead, success is driven by creativity, market insight, and the ability to effectively communicate desired features and fixes to the AI agent. Moreover, the process is scalable. With tools like Replit, creators are not limited to a single app. They can build, iterate, and deploy multiple apps, experimenting with features, business models, and user segments to find the most lucrative opportunities. For those interested in entering the passive income economy, the article recommends further resources and guides on leveraging AI for business. The approach outlined serves as a blueprint for aspiring entrepreneurs. Identify a proven app concept, use AI tools to build and refine a new version, enhance it with unique features and a polished user experience, integrate payment systems, and launch to the market, all without writing code. In summary, the article provides a step-by-step account of building a profitable AI-powered study app without any coding. The key steps include 1. Selecting a successful app as a model and legally replicating its features. 2. Using an AI coding agent, Replit, to build the app foundation, starting with the login system. 3. Iteratively adding, testing, and refining features through natural language prompts. 4. Enhancing the app with advanced study tools, analytics, and user interface improvements. 5. Integrating payment processing for immediate monetization. 6. Launching and scaling the app, with the option to build additional apps using the same AI-driven approach. This process democratizes app development, making it accessible to anyone with a vision and a willingness to learn basic prompting techniques. The result is a powerful shift: the ability to create, launch, and profit from sophisticated digital products without traditional programming skills, opening up new avenues for business and innovation in the AI era. With this revolutionary approach, the landscape of app development changes dramatically. No longer limited by complex programming languages or years of technical training, anyone with a compelling idea can bring it to life using AI-powered tools. The iterative process of providing natural language prompts allows rapid prototyping. Features can be built, tested, and improved in real time, reducing both cost and risk. Monetization becomes seamless, as integrated payment systems like Stripe enable creators to start earning immediately. This model encourages experimentation. Entrepreneurs can launch multiple apps, refine their offerings based on user feedback, and pivot quickly to what works best. Ultimately, leveraging AI to handle the heavy lifting democratizes tech entrepreneurship, making it possible for more people to participate in the digital economy and drive innovation forward.